This is the last one for tonight. It's a good one too. Now, I don't know if you have noticed, but I tend to do a lot of videos at one time and then just put them out slower or whatever. That's what I did last time. The whole reason for that is because what I'm using is my piece of crap tablet, which even if I turn on every light in my place, it's pretty bad and you still can't see anything. So I have to do it when I've got sunlight, which the only time it is on the weekend for me. So I'll try and do a whole bunch at a time, and then you can actually see what the hell I'm doing. So that's the reason. That's why I'm always wearing the same shirt for video upon video upon video. It's not, I do a little more than 2 shirts. It's just easier to do it this way. Anyways, last song, Rolling Stones, Honky Tonk Woman. Now, this one, there is a little bit of difficulty I have in some of the lead parts, and you'll see what I mean. Because with the Merlin, you are limited. So this one is another one for you guys, homework. Figure out some more fills we can do, and you'll see what I'm talking about once we get into it. So let's play it. And on and on and on. So the fills I was talking about is in the chorus. Is you're somewhat limited on your soloing ability when it comes to some of the rockier stuff, I would guess to say. I've tried to wail on this thing, and you can on certain stuff, but it's I don't know. Anyways, to the song. Let's just go to the song and I can shut up. Open D. And it's one of those ones you want to do some rhythm with your pick hand as well. So I usually play this. The first note is the down strum, and then you mute it right away, and then it's all upstrokes from there. Let's zoom out a little bit here so you can see my strumming hand. That's the way I do it on guitar. That's the way I'm going to do it on here. So you play that, I don't know how many times. And then the first lead-in lick you're going to do is, I got to speed it up to learn it again. So it's 4 notes, just played in over and over again with a bend. And it's one of those songs that you can do it different every single time. So I'll leave it up to you, but it's just really whatever you feel works there. So then we come to the chorus. So that's all open D, and then we bar on the G. And then we do on the second string, do that little bit there, and then we do a, and that's just our turnaround to go back to the D. So same thing. Every bar we're going to be doing, well, we don't do any there, but we do the open, we bar on the 1st fret, we bar on the 3rd fret, and we bar on the 5th fret. And it's the same little flick you do every single time. That one there, you don't do that other part, but no matter what where you are. Wait, there's just another song there, isn't there? And, so let's start from the beginning. So same thing. On the 2nd string, up to the 4th. To the 3rd. Then we do that opening lick again. So let's play the verse through. Yes, I screwed up. I'm tired. Start from the beginning. Then to the chorus. Chorus, 2 chords. Open D and your A, which I typically will try to play up here, but I do alternate them. It's the same chord, just a different voicing. So the chorus. Now it's call and response type of old blues that they do in this song. So every time he sings, you answer on guitar. On the Merlin, not guitar. So that's the same as the first fill. Now this is where you can do whatever you want. That bending has put me out of tune. No, it didn't. That was just my lousy playing. So, like I said, those fills, whatever you want. Just alternate between the open D and the barred A on the 4th fret, and then whatever you see fit to put in there. It's a jam song. You can do whatever you want. There's so many fills you can put in there, and that's pretty much the whole song. So let's start it from the beginning at speed, and let's see what I come up with this time. The last one you do really should go back to that very first one I showed you from the intro. It's just because it's a nice transition back into the song. Anyways, Honky Tonk Woman. I actually want to see you guys video that one and see what kind of fills you come up with, because for me that's a good learning exercise. So 11 minutes, longest one yet, and the last one for tonight. Have fun, people. I want to see videos. Make it your own. Yada yada, blah blah. Good night.